Tonight we're going camping, as well as taking a night hike, and we're guiding our way through the night, hands-free, with the help of our new TH20 Pro Headlamp from ThruNite. And it comes shipped to your door, ready to light up your night as well. Inside the box, you have instructions, a USB-C charging cable, a belt clip, spare O-rings, and then your TH20 Pro and head strap. Inside the flashlight, you can find a 920 mAh rechargeable battery, with the charge port on the side. I gave it a charge, put the battery back in, and then I screwed the end cap back on and powered on the flashlight. And for the size, it seems really bright. Now you can remove the flashlight from the strap, connect your belt clip, and use it like this. Or you can wear it on your head, which is my favorite. I took it out to the woods for some brightness tests in different situations. This flashlight is 1010 lumens, shines a distance of 141 meters, and has a cool white light. You could press the button once for low, double press the button for high, triple press the button for strobe mode, or long press to enable firefly mode. On the brightest setting, I could see with ease, and on the lowest setting, it's enough light for you to see and not draw attention to yourself. I wore it inside my survival shelter and hung out for a bit, and it was nice to lower the brightness so I wasn't blinding myself. Then I went out on the hiking trails and explored around. It was raining a bit, but this flashlight is IPX8 waterproof, so that was no problem. This headlamp is comfortable to wear and lightweight. Before this, I had the thrower from ThruNite, and it's bigger and brighter, but it's also a lot bigger. With my new headlamp, it's light enough that I can go for a run without it bouncing around or falling off. In my opinion, this headlamp is the best of both worlds. It's bright enough, and given the size of it, it's definitely impressive. It has a long-lasting battery, and if it dies while you're out and about, you could swap out the battery with a standard AA battery and get back to lighting up your area. How cool is that? So if you're looking for a durable and bright flashlight to light up the night, one that you can use hands-free, the TH20 Pro from ThruNite might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out to my survival shelter to hang out with my husky. See ya!